state, local, social security, bank, and automobile bailouts, and questionable stimulus money.
Dude, bro, you need to start fucking reading.
Happy birthday, anyways.
I hope you get me cussing.
Anyways, happy birthday, Aiden. Love, Austin. Thanks, Austin.
Here, I'll read it. Wanted to give you $50 for your birthday. Here's what was left after taxes. Federal, state, local, social security, bank, and automobile bailouts, and questionable stimulus money. Happy birthday anyway. Happy birthday, Aiden. Love, Austin.
Thanks, Austin.
One what?
1 penny.
Did you see how
Cash flow he got for his birthday.
Did you see how hard I squeezed Austin?
Okay.
Yeah, that's crazy. Now I have to read the card.
Thanks, Nino.
You already said thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, the red.
No, the red card's
No,
black.
last.
Read it.
Is there more in there?
He's gonna have to start reading
Yep.
because he really does not know how to read.
Word for word.
Read it. Nope, the front, right there.
It's your birthday, and Fire Dog Matt is ready to help.
He's over here looking.
Fire Dog Matt.
It does look like Max a little bit.
Fire Dog Matt. Ready to help you with those candles.
Hey! No,
Open
Matt.
and close it.
No
Open
bad
and
dog.
close
That
it.
is something that he would do.
Open and close it. Let me see.
Wait.
Let me see. I can't see
Do it again.
it.
What does it say?
No, Max, no, bad dog, Max. Oh wow, happy birthday, Eden. Love, Alex. Bring it in.
1999 card.
He's card. Look, you're spoiled. All your brothers have jobs.
Oh, Fiba. Eden comes with the bonus.
All your brothers have jobs. They
You're
work.
welcome. Or two.
Huh?
Or two.
Some of them have 2. Some of them have 1. Some of them have 3
Okay.
jobs.
Oh.
How many jobs do you have?
Okay. So we got Bebop
3 if you count DoorDash. I don't do
You
that.
don't DoorDash.
and 40 bucks.
You never DoorDashed.
Yeah, I did.
There.
And this
Yeah,
one.
you did.
Gee.
All the time. Good.
Okay, ready, boys?
I'm like,
See. Sure you know what you're doing? What's
bro,
up?
crap.
Dude, this dog.
Have you ever opened a card before? Bro. Oh god. Oh my.
What's it say? You checked them below.
Love your old 11-year-old's rock.
Come on.
11-year-old's rules.
Rule.
Keep reading.
Come on.
Happy birthday, Aiden, from Mom and Dad.
No, and 11-year-olds like you are the coolest of cool. Hope you have a great birthday. Give me a hug.
Big hug.
Oh, I love you, Bubba.
Your pets is
You are
cool.
so lucky to have such a nice family.
Yeah, and I love you too, Dad.
How much money did you get? How much money did Big Daddy give you?
He miles Davis.
How much money?
$40, I think.
Wow, you know the count too?
Wait a second. 20, 40, 60, 80.
See, it doesn't matter if you can read or not. Everybody knows how to count money.
Yep, even in any
I know how to
country.
count money.
Yeah.
Chinese know how to
Boys,
count too.
I just got so much
Chinese,
money for my
Arab.
birthday.
How much money do you have now?
Only how to count 1, 2, 3, 4 in money. And then
I
two
love you
zeros
all
on it.
so
I only know
much.
how to count M's.
Okay, get the cake.
I love you guys so
Yeah.
much.
Get the cake.
How
Guys,
many
thank you
M's
for
in your bank account? Now
thank
that
you
you're
for
broke.
my birthday,
Now
guys.
No, I'm not broke.
Guys,
Get the cake.
Get the cake, father.
guys, thank Thank you for this birthday money.
He
And
calls you father.
What is this?
He calls
Frickin'
you. He
Bates
calls mom,
Motel? Mother?
everyone,
Smile for Aiden's birthday.
please.
Dad.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Happy birthday, Aiden.
Thank you.
Happy
Birthday,
birthday,
Mom,
Aiden.
Right,
Don't
guys.
lose that money.